In the modern visual effects pipeline, Python is everywhere. Its main purpose is a way to help the data flow through the facility. That data needs to be wrangled, needs to be processed and reviewed and passed on to the next department seamlessly. And Python has become the language in which to do this.
Paul Ducker was our instructor, and he has a lot of relevant industry experience, and he was able to convey that through the course and through the reasons why we were doing certain things on the course as well. So he was a great instructor.
So for me, LightForge Academy provides an excellent opportunity for anyone to gain the skills required to work in the visual effects industry. Being able to help people with that first foot on the ladder, giving them enough experience and enough information to help them on their first steps into the industry.